Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, good morning. It's actually almost 12. I think it's 11:30, something like that. And I woke up late today because, it's night shift. My husband works at night, so I have to stay awake late at night as well. But anywho, without further ado, we are going to unwrap these, remove the plastic tape on its pots. And I am also going to show you how beautiful they are now. Yesterday, after watering them, after I unwrapped them in the box and removed the newspapers, I put them out here. If you can see, I put them here and I watered them, and now they are looking much better. It's not dehydrated anymore. But all right, we are going to unwrap them first one by one, but I'm going to put these here. These are the plugs, so we are going to start with the ones that in here. All right, these are the little babies. That's not the little baby. This is, yes, one of the mature plants, but we are going to start here. All right, let's see. Ooh, I don't have enough space. Let's move these aniks. Even though it's so hot out here, I am wearing long sleeves because it's so hot. I mean, yes, it's hot. It's there's a lot of mosquitoes, so I have to protect my skin from the mosquitoes. Let's see, I'm gonna put this here, that way it don't fall. This one here, it don't fall. All right, so let's do this here. All right, so let's start with this one. Okay, I'm so happy with these because it has a keiki already, and the keiki are getting bigger already. I'm still thinking where I'm going to put all of these because winter is coming. Yeah, that is my problem, the winter. Okay. All right, we are successful with this one without hurting the plants. Ooh. And that's how it looks now here outside. Look how beautiful the flowers are, and it stinks so good. It smells so good, so fragrance. Okay, let's put the other things here. So here's the keiki that I'm saying. Yep, it's ready to repot, but we'll see what I'm gonna do with it. Let's put it back here. And oh, that's my memory fizz. This one is the new Hope Mini, and they all need a new pot because, oops, my camera is too high. I can't see it. All right, this is so easy. So yesterday, the flower is kind of dehydrated, but now look how beautiful the flower is. Oh, I'm sorry, the sun is right on me now. So it has this spike here, and it has a little bud already showing. But look at these. I'm just so happy with this one. All right, let's do this next one. Oh, look, even this one has a keiki. Huh. Oh, it's actually broken. Let's see why it's broken. Yep, that's the Coast Guard. That's the Coast Guard. We live right next to the sea. The Gulf. Look, I don't know why. Oh, it belongs here. It's just I don't know what happened, but look. But this is growing right next to this. It's even attached. You know, the roots are attached. But I'm going to repot this. I mean, remove it here and put it in a little pot. Well, I'm going to repot them all anyway. So, and this is the Inobi purple white. And I'm so excited with this one. Like I said, from my unboxing video yesterday, yesterday, I've been wanting to get one of those. Okay, let's get these. This is the Dendrobium spectacular. It's a daughter of Spectabile. So that's why maybe they call it spectacular. Because it came from breed of Spectabile. Okay. I like these white pots too. Ta-da! They're looking so good. Okay, I think I will need to put this here first. Because I need a space to put to take the other ones. Ooh. This is just growing so good. I cannot see it because the sun is so bright on me. Okay. So this one has keikis right there, and it has new growths here. I have 1, 2. This one is the big one, 2, 3. I got 4 new growths here. A very, very new one, but it seems like all of it is a new growth. This is the mother plant, I think. So let's get this unwrapping more faster because the sun's getting on me already. All right, this is the other one that looks so pretty, the flower, and this is the Bertha Chong Blue Violetta, and it's so pretty. I like purple. See, it's purple, dark purple. It's almost burgundy in color, and it has a bunch of moss. I love this moss too. I don't want those moss being taken away. They're just so pretty. I want to keep them moss. Ooh, but it sticks. All right. Ta-da! Okay. Ooh, the roots. These roots doesn't have value anymore because it's getting to get raw. It's dead already. See, they even trim here. This one is the one that's gonna give a new roots, and this one here, the new canes actually. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put it back here. And all right, this is the other one that's so huge. And look at these big ones. Oh, look. Oh, so pretty. It's actually a burgundy color. I used to have these 4 years ago. I had one like these too. And the flowers just the same, but the leaves is not. So maybe this is the different one, a different variety. But the flowers almost the same. I had one. If I have the chance to put the picture of that one here, I'm going to put it here so you know what what I'm saying. But my video editor don't let me do it anymore. I used to do that, attached picture, but this lately it won't let me do that. You have to pay for the editor so you could use it like the way I used to do. Look, I even have a new growth here, a latest one, but this is the big growth already, and I'm sure it's going to be blooming very, very soon as well. And let's see. Oh, this one bloom already, but this can even bloom right here at the next node. Can you see here? It bloom right here and it bloom at the top. So okay, let me check the time. Oops. Yeah, I have problem with this. It's so huge. All right. Okay, let's put this back here because all of those are already done. Okay, and we are going to turn this like this. We're going to work in this side. Oops. But we are going to jump to the next part because we are already 16 minutes right now. So I don't want this video being so long because I know we are all have a work to do. So let's just pause from here and transfer to the next part of the video. Thank you all so much for watching this unwrapping plastic tapes video, whatever. Okay, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.